Go.
Hello, we are at the American River Parkway in Sacramento. And we had fishing, but we went fishing here today and we had no luck, no fish. And now we're gonna go on rocks here, so let's see what we find.
And I'm their dad. He's James.
Hello.
Hi, everybody. Where are we going, guys? Which way?
Also, if this is your first video here, I'm Isaac and this is my little brother Noah.
Say hi, Noah.
Hi.
All right, which way do you guys want to go, guys?
Let's go to over the bridge.
So, have you gone over this bridge yet, guys?
Yeah. Well, I can see some houses up there, so if we have to go up the hill, then maybe we can see houses. Maybe we can even find a town.
Oh, and we got to be careful because there's spikes, so move over.
All right.
Right behind you. Watch.
Why we go down there? Also, here's my dance skills. Why we go down there?
You want to go down there?
Yeah.
We can go check it out. Do you think you can climb down, or how do you want to do this?
I want to go down there.
You want to climb down the rocks, or do you want to go around? Isaac's gonna go down those rocks, as you can see. Good luck, Isaac.
I hope I'm gonna make this.
Here, hold my hand, Noah.
Right now, you would be denied because
All right, let's see who can throw the furthest rock. Let's see. You guys ready for this?
I'm gonna be the best.
Here, Noah, do you need a rock?
I'm going to say where to go.
Noah, do you need a rock?
No, I'm going to say where to go.
You're gonna say ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
Oh,
Farther than mine. No, I won.
good job, guys. What's that? What's over here, guys? Look at this sign.
It says River Mile 20. And look at the feedings on it.
Whoa,
Wow.
that was loud. Which way are we going, guys? This looks kind of like a cool trail.
I think it's easy to get help. No, there's a tissue with blood on it up here.
Ew. Let's get out of there. That's gross.
Alright. Hey, do you hide something on it?
I saw.
Do you hide something on it?
Oh, it has something. Yeah, the people wrote a lot of stuff. Oh, look where Isaac is. Come on. Come on, Noah.
That's the sign. Bendy Superstar. It said Bendy Superstar.
Oh no, people litter here. Watch out, Isaac.
It says River Cake?
I don't know.
It's like
Oh look, there's ducks. There's a mallard.
Wait, look up here. What's up here? Yeah. Yeah, nothing. It's just like a little area that
Nothing?
you can go up. Wait. There's nothing up there. I see a broken tree.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, there's a broken tree over here.
Isaac, you're gonna fall in. There's no trail that way. This would be a good place for swimming in the summer. Isaac, we can't go that way. No, there's no trail that way. Let's.
Yeah,
What do you think, Noah? It's slippery?
It's really good.
Yeah?
It's really good.
It's a very good trail.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, look what I found.
What? This little area over here?
No, a large fish's bones.
Oh my God.
There, we could have gone fishing here earlier.
Yeah. Right. Hey, let me go up here. Dad! This one's here. This one's here. Go back. This one's
What do
here.
you see?
This
Oh,
thorns.
blackberry bushes.
And also thorns.
Yeah, blackberry bushes have thorns.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's Good. Good area. Good. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go back across this weird area right here. Area over here. I guess we're gonna have to go across this monstrosity again. Hey, what up? Bye guys.
Oh, there's thorns right there. There you go.
I didn't know there was a door.
Be careful.
Hey, I can get up here. Nice. Why did I go this way? I didn't notice how many thorns were here.
I told you.
Help. You got me, Dad?
I got you.
I keep touching those thorn things. I keep touching those thorns, okay? Oh. Take a red area. Alright, so I guess we gotta cross the bridge.
Okay.